Hi there, kids. My name is Paris. Today, let's learn the insects. Are you ready? Let's go.
Buzz buzz. I'm Holly the housefly and I like to hang around food and trash, but I wash my feet. Sort of. Hello there, kids. My name is Nicole. I'm a ladybug and my red shell has black spots. I love eating tiny bugs that harm plants. Hi, I'm Bella the bee and I love collecting nectar and helping flowers grow by pollinating them. Hi kids, I'm Molly the mosquito and I drink blood, but it helps me lay eggs. Sorry for the itchy bite. I'm Benny the beetle and I've got a hard shell that protects me while I crawl around the forest floor. Hi kids, my name is Jordan. I'm an ant. Small but super strong. I live in big families called colonies and we work together as a team. Hi there kids. My name is Justin. I'm a spider. I spin sticky webs to catch bugs. I have 8 legs and love quiet corners. Hi kids. I'm Charlie the cricket and I chirp by rubbing my wings together. I make music to some and noise to others. I'm Carl the cockroach. Tough and sneaky, I can survive almost anything even without my head for a while. I'm Flutter the butterfly with colorful wings and a peaceful life fluttering around gardens. Hi there kids. My name is Susan. I'm a grasshopper. I can jump really high and make music by rubbing my legs together. Hi kids. My name is Moses Slash. I'm a dragonfly with shiny wings. I fly super fast and eat mosquitoes.